Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your Jis News for Tuesday, May 21. The Jamaica Promotions Corporation, JAMPRO, is in the process of activating inward investment and business missions from the diaspora. JAMPRO Board Chairman Milton Samuda says this is being done through the corporation's Business Connect strategy, which is being implemented in time for the 5th Biennial Diaspora Conference in June.
In rolling out our strategy for the diaspora, JAMPRO is committed to an enduring partnership with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade to build dynamic and robust business networks with the diaspora, starting with our own high commissions, embassies, and consulates, with the goal of achieving win-win outcomes for the economic growth and development of our nation.
Mr. Samuda says the strategy involves linking investors, particularly from the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom, to the many opportunities in Jamaica.
We have been identifying and packaging a range of viable products and projects from our local business community, especially in agriculture and agribusiness, for diaspora investment.
He was speaking at a recent diaspora business mixer held at JAMPRO's corporate offices in Kingston. Meanwhile, the Jamaican business community is being encouraged to do more business with the diaspora and to connect with the overseas communities in order to benefit from in-market intelligence. Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade State Minister Arnaldo Brown says the diaspora is a significant market into which Jamaica must tap.
We want to ensure that there is a virtuous cycle of investment both in the diaspora communities but also of the diaspora communities in Jamaica.
The state minister says the time has come for Jamaicans outside Jamaica to become bullish in terms of investment and trade. The Jamaica Agricultural Society, JAS, has secured $30 million in sponsorship for the staging of the Denby Agricultural Show for the next 3 years. The contract, which was signed with the telecommunications network Digicel, represents the continuation of a 12-year partnership. It will provide marketing and promotional support, including updates on social media, text promotion, mini-board advertising, and direct signage for Denby.
We are seeking to attract some 70,000 patrons to the show. And I think based on the package here that we have with Digicel, we're really gunning for 100,000 patrons.
The Denby Agricultural Show will run from August 4 to 6 and includes a 5K run, Youth Day, and the flagship agricultural display show. This year's show will accommodate a buyers symposium which will connect them to sellers and create business linkages. There will also be an information technology center for farmers at the JAS head office and at the Denby Showground. Agriculture and Fisheries Minister Roger Clark is imploring farmers to be efficient in their production in order to compete with the price of imported goods. He says this will facilitate the ministry's plans to incorporate more local produce into the nutritional content of government-run institutions.
We have put a food and nutrition policy in place. And you know what we intend to do? Every government institution that has a diet that the government has to contribute to feeding those people, whether it's hospital, school, or prison, a portion of that must be local food.
The Agriculture Minister was speaking at the recent closing out ceremony for the Economic Diversification Program for banana-producing parishes. The project, which was implemented by Food for the Poor under the European Union Banana Support Program, was designed to help banana farmers become productive in other areas. Beneficiaries came from Esther, St. Mary, and Somerset, St. Thomas. The 16-month-long program yielded some 60,000 pounds of pepper, 54 gallons of honey, and 34 newborn goats. And finally, the Labour and Social Security Ministry is asking persons who have been approached and offered placement in the overseas employment programs for a fee to report the matter immediately. Persons are being asked to contact the nearest police station or the Labour Ministry at 922-3904. In a statement released Monday, the ministry said unscrupulous persons claiming to be ministry agents have been collecting money from people for placement in the farm work program to the United States and Canada. Participation in the overseas employment program is entirely free of cost. Persons are therefore being urged not to pay over money nor hand over their passports. Anyone caught engaging in conspiracy or collusion to illegally gain access to the overseas employment programs will be permanently banned. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.